What?
I gotta be honest with you. I'm very ecstatic about this weather we're having. I've had some very serious plans to go bird watching for a while now.
Yeah?
You ever been?
No.
Ooh, it's a very transcending experience. You strike me as somebody who would enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be a nice date for the both of you. Oh yeah. A lot of people consider it a hobby, but I consider it more of a lifestyle.
To watch birds?
Yeah.
A lifestyle? Bird watching is a lifestyle?
I actually studied ornithology at Cornell University.
Ornithology?
Ornithology, the study of birds.
Did you?
Yeah. It's actually where I met my ex-wife, but I'm not going to get into that. I believe it was my second year at Cornell where I discovered my favorite bird.
What's your favorite bird?
The stork-billed kingfisher. You ever hear of it?
No.
Oh my, it's darling. I began spending my summers in Buharnagar, India. Yeah. They're located right on the outskirts.
You go there just to see the birds?
Just to see the birds.
That's deep.
They're going extinct.
What?
Yeah. At a length of 35 to 38 centimeters, they're pretty large. Yeah, about there. Their underparts and their neck are very buff. And they have beautiful blue and green feathers. Oh my. I would go as far to call them my spirit animal. When I'm out there alone, watching them, I just feel so alive. It's very liberating.
Sounds like
It's their call. Poo, poo, poo. Thank you, Sylas Brown.
Corey.
Ooh, nice handshake, creamy. Yeah, wow, interesting. Take care, buddy.
Yeah, you take care as well, man.
I gotta say, I'm very ecstatic about this weather we're having.
I know, it's beautiful, isn't it?
I've had some very serious plans to go bird watching for a while now.